Pipes details that can conserve you cash. If you allow a water tap to leak, how much water would you lose in a day? Understanding that a leaking tap can run 150 gallons of water in a day can save money. If you have leaky pipes or sinks, even toilets, never ever ignore it. Inspect pipelines as well as traps for additional dampness or little leakages. It all adds up, and in some cases cost you much more than it would to have it fixed by a professional plumber or yourself if you can. Professional plumbing solutions are expensive, and also lots of pipes issues can be fixed by anybody that recognizes what has to be done. Ideally, this post has actually offered you the expertise to stay clear of costly phone calls to plumbers if you can handle the simple fix. Look for leakages on your hot water heater as well as conditioner prior to you going away for an extended period of time. Many emergency plumbing issues happen when no one is home. You can use the water shutoff knob to guarantee that they do not create any type of water damage while you're away. Take a look at them a couple of weeks before you have to leave, simply in case they may need fixing. When you employ a plumbing professional, it can be expensive depending on what the issue is. For repair work that you can have done on your own with some basic pipes before it got to the emergency stage. Do not throw away cash on specialist plumbing technicians if you don't have to. Be aware of the pipe structure in your home and light maintenance to keep them running well. Small pipe issues can lead to large, expensive emergency issues if ignored too long. One emergency plumbing issue you can help to avoid: it is recommended that you change your hot water heater a minimum of every 15 years. If your hot water heater has a rusting container, it is simply an issue of time to when emergency plumbing damages happen, and also flooding that's surrounding location with water. Now, you can inspect the age of your hot water heater by observing its identification number. The very first 4 varieties of the identification on the hot water heater are the month and also year it was produced. If you have extra food preparation oil, do not put it down your cooking area drain pipe. The oil or particles can obstruct your drain pipe and also create irreversible damages. Rather, you could place the oil right in a plastic bag, or dump the oil in an old or unused can or something that you can throw away once the oil hardens. It is essential as a homeowner that you understand specifically where your primary water shut-off valves are in case of an emergency situation. The first step for icy pipes is to try and stop the water from entering your home in the starting point. It's a great idea that all the family know where the main water shutoff valve is, so in the event of any broken pipe or flooding in the home, anyone there will be able to access it quickly. It's a good idea to test the valve regularly to make sure it works. If your toilet is leaking or always running water, you can check in the tank for parts that may be worn out or that have come loose from their fittings. If water is leaking outside the toilet, check the input water line or look for possible cracks in the toilet itself. This can use a lot of water daily if left running or leaking. If water is coming out of the base of the toilet on the floor, it may be the seal. You would be better off to call a professional plumber to fix it or any toilet leaks as soon as you notice them. Avoid toilet plumbing emergencies as best as you can. Remember, when your home's plumbing is working right, you save money and usually don't have to worry about it. But when you see any signs of leakage or water trickling, you need to get a professional plumber in there as soon as possible. Avoid costly plumbing emergencies all you can.